Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Royal Enfield has geared up for the thrilling new season of Continental GT Cup 2023 sponsored by JK Tyre. Registration for the 2023 season of the Continental GT Cup has been started and it seeks the participation of fellow riding enthusiasts. A still from the 2022 season of the Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup schedule of Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup season 2023. Royal Enfield is all set for the thrilling new season 2023 of Continental GT Cup. The schedule for the 2023 season is mentioned below. The Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup will be started in August 2023. In this cup, there will be a total of 8 different races divided into 3 rounds. The round 1 will be held from 25th to 28th of August 2023. The round 2 will be held from 6th to 8th of October 2023. The round 3 will be held from 17th to 19th of November 2023. In this season, the Royal Enfield is likely to continue with its Pro-Am Series format. In this format, the amateur and professional racing riders will be allowed to race on the same grid together. This season of the Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup will be held as a part of the JK National Racing Championship 2023. Moreover, this championship is certified and complies with the norms of the Federation of Motorsports Club of India (FMSCI). Registration details of Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup season 2023. The renowned bike manufacturer is all set for the 2023 season of the Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup. Below are the details and process of registration and selection process. In the test round, the participants can register themselves under these categories: professional or amateur. However, the participants should check their eligibility on the official website before registration. Link to official website. Royal Enfield will select a total of 100 riders including 75 amateurs and 25 professionals from registered participants. Royal Enfield will conduct the selection event at Curry Motor Speedway in Coimbatore on the 1st of August 2023. In the end, a total of 25 riders will be selected out of 100 riders in the selection round. These 25 riders, including 10 professionals and 15 amateurs, will be eligible for further participation in racing rounds. Thanks for watching. Credits to Motoroids.com. Please subscribe Autocar India for more update.